Hi guys, so this is Afsal here. So this is one of my trade on today. I was trading on Reliance Bank. So this will be a short video for a while in the beginning, but I'll be giving you a whole explanation of the end of the video, like what was the reason for making the trades and all. So as you guys all knows that there was a really good news on Reliance, but I shorted it. So I'll be explaining why I did that one too. So so let's see, this is my entry point. My stop losses, I just kept it above the closing price of the first candle. I like the opening price of the first candle. So the stop loss is around the 0.5 percentage, and I'm looking for a target of 1%. So that is my risk reward, 1 is to 2. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, so in this one, as you guys can see, there is an EMA line which is a moving average. So I'll be booking my 0.5 percentage with the first half of the quantities, and definitely looking into the EMA. Once if the price rejects from EMA, I'll be booking all of my profits. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay guys, so the price has been rejecting from the EMA line. So I have booked all my profits because I was expecting a 1 percentage, but it just gave me a 0.7 percentage or something over here. Yes, 0.7. So that will be it, my trade. So thank you and see you on next video. This is the short explanation about the Reliance. Why did I make this trade? So first of all, let's go to the multi-time frame analysis. That's what I usually do. So if you going to the multi-time frame analysis, you will be able to find that this particular level over here has been retested many times. So on a 30-minute time frame, this particular level has been rejected like 1, 2, like over here like a 4 times, like around 6 times, 7 times has been, it has been rejected. Now once you go over here, this has been rejected from this point too. So that is the first thing. So I am looking into all like a multi time frame just before making my entries. But today it was like a morning time, right? Like and the Reliance was having a great news that there are all possible ways that the Reliance can go bullish. But the reason for making a short trade was end of the day, whatever the news are coming, supply and demand, that's what shows in your market. So as far as concerned, the particular stock got rejected, couldn't even sustain and break the particular level of point. So what I did, I just shorted it. There was another view for this one. The Reliance was gapped up. If you're familiar with the gap theory, you'll be understanding this one. I shorted it. I was supposed to short it just below the first candle, but definitely when I got a chance of a pullback, what I did to reduce my stop loss, I just shorted this particular level at a pullback, which was 1942. That was my entry point, and I was expecting a profit of 1% because something over here until the next swing part over here. But unfortunately, the EMA line, the moving averages line, was coming up. I was expecting a steep drop, but the EMA saved it, and it just found support by the EMA line, which was a 10 days moving average. I always keep a 10 days moving average, and that always depends upon the stocks too. I change it accordingly. But on this one, as I said on the previous session, the EMA line had took a support over here, and it couldn't break the red candle. So it just formed kind of a reversal pattern, as well as this made a like a double bottom part. So this was, so I booked my profits over here, which was around 0.78, like little bit over here. So 0.75 or something. That was my profit which I booked. So I didn't even trail it because I was expecting this one to reverse if it found any kind of support. So I booked everything over here. So I'm done with the trade on Reliance with a 0.7 percentage. One is to like 1.4 or 1.2, 1.3 or something. That is my risk reward. Still, I'm happy with it. I was expecting a 1%, but still it gave me a good move. That was the reason for making this trade. So always do a multi-time frame analysis, and once you're making a entry on a really morning time, like in between first 15 minutes, you need to get into all the points really quickly, because while I'm explaining right now, it seemed to be really too much of things has to be taking into consideration. But Once you're familiar with what you're doing, it will be more easy for you while you're making a trade. So that will be it. So I had made another trade on ICICI Bank. Do watch the video. So I'm just waiting for my target to get hit. That one I'm expecting a 2% of profit. So yeah, so to trade policy, I'll be doing videos on the whole concept of trading which I'm doing. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you on next.